Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on ISTQB Advance Test Manager certification. We are talking about chapter 2, that is test management, and as a part of it we are still continuing with 2.4 test documentation and other work products. As a part of this, we are further continuing with the fourth segment of this topic, that is 2.4.4, the level test plan. As a part of the level test plan, of course, we have understood in the previous tutorial that what exactly a master test plan is, which is for about all the activities as a summary, that how exactly each and everything will happen, and what will be the schedule, distributing the roles and responsibility, determining the assets on terms of the automation, the resources, the environment, and lot many other things. But similarly, there might be some specific test levels which you want to do a deeper dive into, and that's the reason the level test plan will come into picture. So for each particular level which you are conducting separately, you will create a test plan for that as well separately. Now that will include all the same activities as you have done in the test plan, but it will be specific to a particular test level. For example, if you're talking about organizing and conducting performance testing or security testing or usability testing, they in fact need a proper planning in order to implement these levels as a part of the testing lifecycle. Now that's where the level test plan plays a vital role, because for performance, the set of requirements, environment, or the source or resources or people working on that are completely different than any other level in the testing lifecycle. So level test plan basically describes the particular activities to be carried out within each test level, or in some test cases the test type as well, like probably for functional and non-functional testing as a category, or white box or black box testing, how exactly you want to plan it for, you can do that plan as well. Now level test plans expands where necessary on the master test plan, or for the specific levels or test type being documented. They provide schedule, task, and milestone details not necessarily covered in the master test plan. So master test plan will be overview of these levels and will not get into a deeper discussion or deeper details of what exactly each level will be doing and how they will be doing. We just have an overview that a performance test level has to be conducted, and we will be scheduling as a part of overall life cycle at this particular date and time. But when it comes to the performance testing, it will separately have a plan talking about the deeper dive into the planning of the performance test, where it will include the resources, environment, the test data, or kind of tools, automation, and scenarios, and lot many other things which you will be covering during that level. So in addition, to the extent that different standards or templates apply to specification of test at different levels, these details would be covered in the level test plan. So in case there are certain specific standards which are only applicable to that particular level, it will only be elaborated in the level test plan, but certain standards which are used throughout testing lifecycle will be discussed or mentioned as a part of the master test plan. On less formal projects or operation, a single test plan is often the only test management document written. In some such situations, some of the informational elements mentioned earlier in this section could be covered in the test plan document as well. Now for agile projects, sprint or iteration test plan may take the place of the level test plan, which is basically for each and every iteration you do a proper planning. So you can replace the level test plan with sprint planning within the agile project. So now we understand that how exactly we can differentiate between a test plan, which is master test plan, and level test plan. So particularly master test plan is for overall life cycle, and less test plan or level test plan is specific to a particular level itself. Well, that's all from this short tutorial talking about the level test plan and covering aspects about it. We'll be talking about some more details coming up in the upcoming tutorials, so stay tuned for that. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.